Proponent of Khasi folk music Silbi Passah has been awarded the Padma Shri. The centre made the announcement on the eve of Republic Day on Thursday. Here is a report.
In a tete-a-tete with DD News Meghalaya, the retired Hindi teacher of Khasi Jaintia National Government School, Delhi, said she would teach songs and dances during PT classes as she felt the need to impart knowledge of various musical instruments such as kabisli, kaksing, katangmuri, kadoitara, with an objective to revive Khasi traditional musical instruments.
Pen pleo pen adu utakapor kumno ban nang ban tem sing kumno ban nang ban podusli kumno bakin nang ban tem ditara dia persangkai parong ba kat balaru min pen ke imbiang ikini kitiar pot dem kasih.
After her retirement, she decided to teach music and started writing songs in Khasi, Jaintia and Hindi, saying that she works hard to keep the passion alive. She further said that students approach her and she takes them to functions where they can display their talents. Passah encourages to watch, learn and to respect other cultures. She has a passion to preserve traditional music and also to ensure that the younger generation also takes the baton forward. She was inspired by several Khasi singers such as Berwell Kindia, Gilbert Shulais, Davis Jirwa.
Nia nang nila ban shim jeng mut nang turu namar kino ki kamba ki le ki para breu dei umut ki para ti mamba na ba per ki dei badan jumut ke.
Passah has earned a slew of accolades, including the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for the year 2021 from the President Draupadi Murmu, National Education Award from the late President Abdul Kalam, Meghalaya Day Award, the Lady of Hope Award from South Africa, International Gold Star Award from Bangkok for Excellence in Education. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Drone or unmanned